everyone, I'm your host, Rana Kim. I used to wonder how people can use a sheet mask every single day, especially because I have sensitive skin. So I'd only put on a sheet mask when I had an important appointment the following day or needed to get my makeup done really well. Not every day, but after using this, my perspective changed. The newly released Atomy Daily Expert Mask. Most sheet masks are too heavy, as they leave the skin difficult to apply makeup on. With this, my skin was neat and tidy. You get no skin problems, and it's made of safe materials. How could I not become a fan? Skincare is vital. In summer, without proper care, we ladies shout, "I'm aging" all the time. If you're thinking, how can I save time, save money, and get professional help? Then try Atomy. Allow me to explain why I love Atomy so much. First, it comes with upgrades. Want to hear me sing it to you? Dry skin turns moist, dull skin turns shiny, saggy skin turns elastic using Atomy every day. My singing may not be the best, but you can see my passion. We've got the Moisturizing line, which maximizes moisturization through the 5-layer surface, which keeps the moisture in. The Brightening line makes your skin shine from the inside. And the Nourishing Firming line to invigorate your skin with nutrition for elasticity. Having 3 different options to choose from is so exciting. More importantly, have you seen how big the sheet is? It's huge! It fits perfectly on almost anyone's face. Your husband has a large face? No problem. Your kids can also use it on a daily basis since kids these days care a lot about skincare. Mask that everyone in the family can use at this price? This is undoubtedly a great deal. Let's look at the materials used. Cheap products are usually made of tencel and rayon, which are fine, but not very absorbent. Forget them. This is cupra, the material for premium masks, natural seaweed fiber made using kelp and sea mustard, both known for moisture, and finally bamboo fiber and tencel. With materials manufactured in perfect conditions, Atomy created a brand new type of sheet. I present the Seaweed Expert Sheet. Its absorption is exceptional. Why does absorption matter, you ask? It's already great that the essence content in the sheet increased from 20 grams to 24 grams, but the sheet needs to literally bombard the essence on the face. Please pay special attention to the sticky liquid that the sheet produces. It makes the seaweed sheet in and of itself adhere more tightly on your face and enhances absorption. In short, these sheets are extraordinary. These are thin and have a strong adhesion on the skin. The skin under the sheet will never dry up or have trouble with absorption with this mask. They did their homework. These sheets just show you how great Atomy's technology is. Shall we take a look at each line? Let's start with the Moisturizing line. I was impressed that the moisture from using it lasts until the next day. Crispy on the outside, moist on the inside? No, it's not a pork cutlet. Try this product if the inside of your skin feels dry and needs filling up. The components were extraordinary, starting with the 3-layer Moisture Surge Complex line's natural moisturizing substance. Beta-glucan is a polysaccharide that forms the cell walls in mushrooms and grains. It strengthens you, simply put. It's rich with dietary fiber, which helps keep out harmful substances. This mask is also filled with hyaluronic acid, which is essential for moisturization. The base is also extraordinary. It's Hawaiian deep sea water. You will feel like you are with the Hawaii 5-0 cast on a vacation in Hawaii when putting this on. Because even the water is different. You are putting something extraordinary on your face. You will have such a fun experience feeling the inside of your skin moisturize. Let's move on to the second line. I'm especially excited with the shiny Brightening line. It's just what we need these days. Abundance of UV rays can make your face break out. You must prevent that. It doesn't brighten your face suddenly. It fills up naturally, making your face glow. That's thanks to the components, of course. This is what makes this product great. Glutathione applies pressure on tyrosinase in the skin, making the skin glow naturally. The vitamin C and vitamin E contents are outstanding. The vitamin C content is 200 times and 5 times those of an apple and a lemon, respectively, while the vitamin E content is 5 times a kiwi. So the skin brightens and looks much improved. That's not it. There are 2 more extracts to look at. First, extracts of rice embryos, where the life essence of the rice plant is focused at. The polyphenol from the rice embryo from rice grown in Changhung, Jeollanam-do rapidly improves the tone of your skin from the inside. There is also lactobacillus, more precisely bifidobacteria, which people are interested in nowadays. The bifidobacteria extract strengthens your skin barrier. For whoever wishes to strengthen their skin at a time like this, the shiny brightening line will be your best friend. Last but not the least, it's the 3rd and final line. Pay attention if you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s. It's the nourishing firming line with truly exceptional ingredients. Peptides, composed of amino acids such as lysine, glycine, histidine, firms the skin and helps get rid of wrinkles. How do you feel about collagen? Collagen isn't just in your hair, it's an important component of your body's cartilage system. We can eat it or apply it on our skin. This has that. Collagen keeps the skin moist, firm, and elastic, making you look, super young. The base is kombucha, which is popular nowadays. Miranda Kerr, Amanda Seyfried, and more famous actors and musicians are posting about it on their social media. That same kombucha you carry in your tumbler is being poured on your face. Obviously, your skin will feel extremely firm. Oh my, when you have so much to talk about, time flies. You can probably tell that this is really amazing. There is a quote that I love. Persistent effort transforms one's life, one day at a time. Likewise, I believe making changes every day will bring you great success. With Atomy Daily Expert Mask Pack, experience pleasant change and delightful excitement. This has been your show host, Rana Kim.